In recent years, sulfur-deficient soils with elevated pH levels have become more and more common across North America. Degradable elemental sulfur fertilizers are helping to address these concerns. Hi, I'm Daryl Schuster. Since 1998, Keg River has been a leading North American manufacturer of bentonite sulfur fertilizer. We've seen the demand for our premium products grow consistently. To keep pace, we've increased our off-peak production and warehousing. Let's go on a tour. So we built this warehouse in 2020 to expand our storage capacity. It's allowed us greater flexibility in planning. This helps us meet the demands of our growing North American client base. We use this facility to store around 2,000 metric tons of totes and 50-pound bags. This includes Keg 85, Keg 90, and organic versions of both products. It's 30,000 square feet on 2.5 acres. In the off-peak seasons, we concentrate on filling the warehouse. This inventory will be shipped to our retail customers for the peak seasons. This allows our main plant to focus on bulk shipments. Our manufacturing, sales, and logistics teams work together to determine how much product we should have in storage. This is based on orders and market demand. Because we value our drivers' time, our covered loading systems at our plant and warehouse are designed to maximize efficiency and allow for convenient all-weather loading. We can usually get a Super B trailer loaded and back on the road within 30 minutes. Once our clients and their customers have tried Keg River's fertilizers, they don't want to use anything else. That's why we make sure we always have enough product on hand. I'm Daryl. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.